You'll get the best results from your VAS23+2K strap clamp when it's used and cared for properly. Turn the molded 2-component handle counterclockwise to remove any strap tension and allow for the full draw of the clamp. Pull the strap from the clamp body to unwind as much from the reel as will be needed to encompass the work. Take a moment to inspect the strap for wear or damage prior to starting the glue up. If using them, check that the vario angle clips move freely along the strap. Then position them at the joints or corners of the project. Use the handle on the reel to draw any remaining slack from around the setup. Then turn the 2K handle clockwise to pull the strap tight and draw the joints fully closed. The VAS23 clamp mechanism automatically locks the strap ends as the handle is turned. No need for manually locking anything. After the work is finished, inspect the strap and immediately clean any glue or contaminants that you may find. The strap can then be quickly retracted into the reel by simply turning the crank handle. With proper use and care, you'll get many years of good service from your BESSEY strap clamp.